Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to give you a tour of my office. I am in a single wide mobile home. It is a 16 by 80, 16 feet wide, 80 feet long, so a little shy of 1,300 square feet. My daughter has the master bedroom and master bathroom. I have the two back bedrooms and a private bathroom back here. So again, I showed you the tour of my bedroom last time, and now I'm going to show you the office. So walking into the office, I have the crate that I transported my kitty in on the floor. Chewy likes to get in it. He likes to lay down and take naps in it, so that is coming in handy. I got it off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $40 or so. It's really good size. And it's really comfortable for him to lay down in, so it might as well get some use out of it since I really only used it for the trip out here. And then I have my desk. I've removed my computer equipment out of here, like my laptop, but other than that, I have two monitors that I use for work. I have a headset for when I make calls. It is a little dusty in here. I think the air filters need to be replaced, but I have a spare set of glasses, my label maker, a hole puncher, stapler, and a candle that my friend Colleen gave me. I love this. It says, "Beautiful girl, you can do hard things." So thank you, Colleen. Also from Colleen, she made these Loom coasters. I use this to put my drinks on. I have a coffee warmer or mug warmer, so I put my coffee on here, turn this on in the morning. I got this off of Amazon. I love this thing. I use it every single day to keep my coffee hot. And my docking station for my laptop, and then I have a little speaker here that I can use with my phone to play music. This is a chair that my daughter had from years ago. We cleaned it up. It's been in the storage shed for a while. It is working out really well. This desk is one that she had for a while that she's letting me use. It has 3 tiers. So there's the top tier that I have my monitors on, the middle tier, which I use for my drinks and my laptop, and then this part here rolls out, and that's where I keep my mouse and my keyboard. So I sit like so with it extended that way, and it works out really well. I mentioned Colleen already twice today, but she gave me these little turtles. It's just the cutest. So I have a few friends that are my besties, but are my besties in Virginia, and each one of these turtles represents them. So Colleen got these. This is me and her. And then our friend Kate, which Kate watches my video. So hi, Kate. I love you and I miss you. And then this is our friend Lauren. So 4 little turtles, which I thought was so thoughtful and sweet. Let's see here. Let me push this back in. This is on wheels, which makes it really easy to slide in and out even on carpeting. So again, a nice chair here. And let's see, I have a cat tree, which I have the same cat tree in my bedroom, which Tink really loves. I have a giant window here that I can look out of. There are squirrels and all sorts of critters that frolic outside, and she just sits up on that top tier and watches them, so that's really fun. Let's see, here is the dresser, which is the dresser that goes to my bedroom set. It has a really large mirror, tons of drawer space. Right now I just have my current budget books on it. Olivia, my best friend's daughter, she painted this for me. So that is, of course, in my office. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with this. My daughter gave it to me. It's like a pen holder, and then have a few little goodies that came in flowers that my friend gave me. So that is my dresser. I do keep the vacuum back here in this room. The cat is scared of the vacuum, so the further it is away from her, the better. And then on the closet door, I brought this from Virginia, but this is a shoe holder, and I keep all sorts of different things in here. I've got my Bath and Body Works sprays, perfumes, medical things, medicines, thermometers, prescriptions, little purses, my TENS unit, which is always good to have if you suffer from chronic back pain like I do. A TENS unit is always good to have. All of my nail stuff, so all sorts of goodies that I use pretty frequently. The closet is kind of a mess. I've got my laundry basket and a bunch of stuff I still need to go through up in the top. And then circling back over here just to let you know kind of the orientation, there's the door, and there is Chewy's bed. He likes to sleep there as well when I'm working. So this is the office. I am working in here every day. I really enjoy having a dedicated space to work in. I like the fact that I can get off of work, walk out the door, and shut it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tour of my office. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!